Wah, yang nonton live ataupun replay langsung aja lah. Kita solo menuju glory ya adik-adik. Kita main mid lane aja ya, Sapir. Kita main Sapir. Sapir. Julian Yin. Julian nggak sih, bro? Anjir, Julian cuy, lepas. You bayangin aja. Julian HC tuh lepas. Aduh, mengoptimalkan aplikasi lagi guys, lama kali nih. Kita langsung aja. Gue nggak bisa baca komen dong. Gwyn OP pakai item baru tuh dia tuh. Kemarin pakai item yang ini nih, Warcry. Kemarin lihat siapa tuh, gue lupa tuh. Your team is picking.
Time and tide wait for no man nor girl.
Come on, let's roll.
The enemy is picking.
Sebenarnya gue flicker juga bisa ya. XP-nya siapa dulu nih? Oh iya, XP-nya ini Popheus. Enak dan higienis, kita flicker aja dah. Martabak mini. Kok gue ini pakai ini ya, dia pakai BS dia. Kemarin gue liat pakai yang Warcry itu enak banget tuh, bantai-bantai banget dia lawan Esme. Azrizaldi. Welcome to Mobile Legends. Gue gak bisa baca komen. Nah, ini mapnya pakai map baru ya gue ya. Oh, MSC. Semoga ada hadiah ya. Ke bawah dia. Nice. Good job. Ya ampun, kagak ngeliat gue. 00 berapa tadi? 55. Susah kali ngetiknya, Wak. Nah, kena tuh dia, lagi recall dia.
Mercy.
Nah, nekat dia cuy. Si orang ini nekat kali ya.
Ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy.
Meet your fate.
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Guys. Ulti gua, please ulti gua.
Combust.
Ya Allah, Robby. Nggak lihat guys. Sorry dah. Autoklik gua aneh banget loh.
An ally has slain an enemy.
Sorry dah, autoklik gua aneh banget cuy.
Light forever shines upon my work.
Lama banget lagi nih HP ini. Nggak bisa baca komen gua.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Mid gua diambil, gua ambil balik
Come
nangis.
closer.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Ini dia. Ini balik dia cuy. Bantulah, kocak siapa?
Crumble into dust.
Nggak diliatin baik gua.
Initiate retreat.
Kita langsung stay Pircer ya, Pircer.
Combust.
Launch attack.
No disguise can fool my eyes. Except that one time.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Combust.
Killing spree.
Apain sih? Buat gue dong, astaga nggak dikasih gua.
Ravens. How obnoxious.
Nggak dapet lagi. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Light shows no mercy.
Killing spree.
Ini dapat asis bro. Thank you.
Mega kill.
Nice.
Launch attack. Shut down. Double kill.
Sama cuy dia sama-sama hilang.
Ally has slain the dragon.
Gas. Gas nggak sih Gwyn? Enggak ya?
Launch attack.
Mystic magic. Combust.
Unstoppable.
Lu mau lari ke siapa bro?
Beckoning. Crumble into dust.
Launch attack. Turret.
Combust.
Kaja tuh di atas dia.
Your team
Lu nggak kena
destroyed a
mulu.
turret.
Skillnya nih.
Monster
Kedua.
kill. Ult is not ready.
Magic. Come closer.
Unstoppable.
Pathetic.
Yes. Assalamualaikum. Gak ngeliat guys, gue guys. Siapa yang gak ngeliat adik-adik? Sorry dah. Udah kebuka ya. Aduh, aku mau solo adik. Ya ampun. Tembak asih. First game aman aja. First game ini. Oh, laku suaranya. Meledak. Meledak. Kita panjangin. Sabar stoknya. Tetap jaga stok ya guys.
Light forever shine.
Ingat stoknya ingat. Ini guys.
Higher ups. Just a bunch of hypocrites.
Itu tuh. Gas. Dapat gue. Kalau nggak mati tuh. Mati. Mati dia guys.
Struggle is meaningless.
Yang mana gue?
Heretics. Come up.
Cabut ngasih Gwyn. Nggak ada mana gue brother.
They will atone for what they did. One way or another.
Sabar. Biar mana kita reset dulu.
Come up.
Mati dia guys. Offset. Prit.
Just a tiny break.
Waduh, alarm guys.
Come closer.
Aduh, pas banget lagi. Kita bikin di English ya.
Mystic magic. Funny how they labeled it. They don't understand.
Ngapain kamu dek? Buset dah. Belum sakit ya punya gue ya. Sakit tuh. Lumayan gak sih guys? Santai. Balik.
To where the path started.
Gak sih Gin? Gin. Aduh, lompat ya guys. Gak dapet gua. Ini atas nih.
No disguise can fool my eyes. one
Ini dong.
time.
Request backup.
Nafsu dia guys. Tabrak dia ini. Nafsu kali kamu bang.
Launch attack.
Enggak jadi bro.
Team destroyed a turret.
Ya pancing dia guys. Strike leku. Gelo. Win.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Double kill. Mania gua.
Double kill.
Maniak gua nggak sih bang?
Slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
Emang nasib. Maniak gua disampah kambing nih Patrick ini. Gelo guys, menang guys. Kelas nggak adik-adik enggak ya? Sorry dah.
Victory.
Win streak kita adik-adik 8 kali solo adik-adik. Solo yang sangat menyenangkan di pagi hari. 17-6. Nah, lihat gua latihan HC gua guys. Nah, lihat win streak kita adik-adik. Ini jangan diambil ya, yang ini adik-adik nih. Nah, ini katanya drag system katanya sih. Jangan diambil. Nanti kita gacha guys. Kita top up dulu ya kan. Di MD Store Premium. Ini apa nih kembalinya legend? Ya ampun kepencet. Dari ulang dah. Ditipu gua. Duh guys, kagak lama banget ini HP gua nih. Nggak bisa baca komen gua. Sorry dah kalau yang komen kelewat ya. Kita bentaran aja guys. Login aja ya. Duh, lama banget ini. Jangan lupa top upnya di MD Store Premium. Yeay. Oke, dapat guys. Kita ambil midland lagi ya. Astaga, itu namanya guys. Kita tutup nggak sih? Nah, tutup kan.
Your team is banning. Please ban a
Gini
hero.
nggak sih brother? Maniak budi sampah. kena ini steal kill.
The enemy is picking.
Aduh, nggak ngeband dia. Kita langsung aja tampilkan ya Xavier.
Still waters run deep.
Your team is picking.
I am more than a weapon. The choice is mine.
Clean, Beatrix. Wih, Beatrix ya. Dia mana apa tuh adik tiri tuh?
Love and hope are the two greatest inventions.
Tegar. Tegar teh saha anjing.
Sniper ready. Give me a target. Your team is picking.
Waduh, Angel Aling kah? Angel Aling kah? Boleh, clean, boleh clean.
Mission completed. The enemy is picking.
Wah, tipis-tipis banget sih. Julian enak gak sini? Tegar ya, tegar tuh, tegar.
Destroy the hero. I will be the truth this world desperately needs.
Bebas dah, suka-suka dia dah. Jangan dipaksain ya. Frankie boleh, Frankie. Uranus teh nggak tuh? Gak apa-apa sih. Mainnya dulu. Yang penting main ya. Ini apa nih? Halo buat yang nonton. Apa kabar semua adik-adik? Semoga kalian win streak ya adik-adik. Pro Lemon. Dia pakai Warcry loh. Wah, Yuzong ini kah? Dari kemarin gue ketemu Yuzong oleng mulu guys. Waduh, dia pakai Warcry dia. Weapon Master. Dia pakai agility ya. Dexter atau Quantum Charge. Welcome to Mobile Legends.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
Per second ini apa ini gue nih? Si ini ya, Julian. Nice, dapat 1 stack. Aduh, nggak fast hang gue guys. Kita ngambil stack dari Zack aja guys. Sakit banget ya punya gue ya. Emang gitu guys.
Come closer.
Hilang. Clean. Ini nih Angela. Flicker dia. Awas ada link. Berapa tuh flicker? 114. susah guys
for what
ngetiknya
they
guys.
did, one way or another.
Aman aman aman.
Not even close. Light shows no mercy.
Lumayan nih duit ini. Nah, mati dia.
Has been slain.
Please mana gue please. Mati.
Slain an enemy.
Gitu ya guys ya, mana gue ya guys ya. Cepet kali habisnya Wak.
Crumble
Bar balik.
to where the path started. Combust.
Gather up the turtles!
Aduh retrinya. Retrinya kaleng-kaleng guys. Waduh kena semua. Waduh. Izongnya bahaya nih guys. Bisa main guys. Sabar ambil stack.
Request backup.
Itu bawahnya kalah bro.
Funny how they
Killing spree.
understand.
Double kill. Request backup.
Kita buang ke depan.
Light forever
Nah
shines.
nggak jadi guys. Skill gue lama. Kita buang ke depan sini. Nah biar dia kena stun ya kan. Kita ambil stack 2 lumayan. Buffling. Wih, ngapain kau?
Struggle is meaningless.
Wow, meninggal kau. Tenang. Nah, kena stun dia tuh. Wah, kita nggak ada CC ya.
Slain.
Balik nggak sih, Julian?
Mega kill.
Dilawan gitu bro.
Okay.
Sabar ambil stack jangan lupa.
Obnoxious.
Yang penting stack 2 atau 3 ya. Anjay, ngajarin banget nih gue nih, sorry dah.
The enchantments are beckoning.
Aduh, bisa mati tuh.
Initiate retreat. Request backup.
Sabar biar stack tetap ada. Hahaha,
Not combust.
Gather up the turtles!
kartelnya lah. Jangan maksain ke bawah guys.
Your team
Injek kita.
destroyed a turret.
Ya Allah Robby, bener-bener. Ini gue bantai bawah tadi. Sini.
Request backup.
Light shows no mercy. Combust.
Unstoppable.
Masa Daling sama Zack ya. Di sini harusnya deh. Oh, di situ deh. Jangan lupa stack. Kita tembak aja ke atas. Nah, dapat lumayan. Buset, ngeri kali, Wak. Angel Aling ini, Cok.
Slain.
Jangan lupa. Terus nggak sih bawah?
Crumble into dust.
Kita ikat dia. Nggak kena lagi. Kita ikat. Balik.
Initiate retreat.
Di ulti, tolong. Balik.
My eyes. Except that one time. Just a tiny break.
Ini masa apa sih Freya? 4 second ya? Astagfirullah, nggak ini guys. Sorry dah.
Initiate retreat.
Kena tuh.
Stop someone's Combust.
Your team destroyed a turret. Our turret has been destroyed.
Tenang, kita ikat. Kelas kita ngebet ya guys ya. Tembak aja, tembak. Kita ikat Izong biar nggak bisa kabur dia. Kita tembak, mati, down. Kita tembak, aduh.
Slain the turtle.
Kita
Dare you
ulti,
them to utter that word.
kita langsung gituin. Kita ini sabar, santai gue backup. Kita tembak,
Struggle is meaningless.
wih, Leslie, gitu dong guys, kelas. Tembaknya langsung, spam ulti ya.
Light forever shines upon my cloak.
Balik. Kelas nggak adik-adik enggak ya?
To where the path started. Combust.
Aduh, nggak mati
Your
dia.
team destroyed a turret.
Nice,
Legendary.
dapat assist gua, lumayan satu.
Slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
Ini bro,
Request backup.
buff lu gua ambil ya Julian. Oke
Just
katanya
a
guys,
bunch of
ambil.
hypocrites.
Kita ulti aja ya.
Come close.
Makasih Julian.
Backup.
Come close.
Sabar, kita yang penting bantu ulti aja ya.
An enemy has been slain. Legendary.
Tenang, kita ikat. Tenang, flicker. Ya kagak mati dia, mana pasifnya woi. Aduh, pasif Sky Piercer. Itu dia nyala aja, berapa persen tadi darah tuh? 4.800.
Request backup.
Berapa sih dia? 6% ya? Mana sih? 4%.
Ally has slain Lord.
4% guys.
Born.
Berapa tuh? Hitungnya diri tuh ya.
Combust.
Baru dapat buff gua. Balik gak sih Ling? Ling Julian.
An enemy has been slain.
Mystic magic. Funny how they label things they don't understand.
Your team destroyed a turret.
It took me 10 years.
Panik lu. Apa itu? Ya ampun.
Slain.
Ayam 3 ini emang ya guys ya. Indosat ini.
Victory.
Gelo guys. Solo gaming kita win streak berapa ini? 9. Astaga, apa sih Ayam 3? Win streak 9 adik-adik kelas. Lanjut. Kelas adik-adik. Ini kenapa HP gue nggak nyala nih yang satunya nih? Ya mati HP yang satunya, kotak banget ya.
Please man a hero.
Kok nyala sih? Gimana? Sabar.
Your team is banning.
Nice.
The enemy is picking.
Aduh, kagak nyala mulu coy. Aneh banget ini.
Welcome to the greatest magic show of all
Please pick a
time.
hero.
Harley dia guys. Apa ya?
This time,
Hampir lagi deh.
the choice is mine. Should
The
petals
enemy
fall?
is picking.
Oh, Zax lagi dia. Padahal ngasih stack mulu ke gue Zax ya.
The hunt begins.
Kenapa gak mau
Your
nyala nih
team
HP
is
gue nih.
picking.
Terus gak bisa baca komen nih gue.
Fighting Kimmy.
Please lah nyala ya.
I fight for my dreams
Waduh, ini buat lem guys.
and the persecuted.
Waduh, ini berat nih musuhnya nih.
So long as I can breathe, my fight goes on.
Waduh, berat musuhnya. Akankah WS9 kita pecah? Gue lebih suka yang jelas sih.
Your team is picking.
Matilda ribet banget tuh Matilda cok. Kita pakai lari ya, pakai sprint. Ini deh.
Are the two greatest inventions.
Gue gak yakin menang sih guys. Tapi ada Pakito nih. Pakito, Angela. Oh, Lancelot ya. Wah, ini kuncinya ada di siapa nih? Oke deh. Moa nggak pernah hoki. Ojek, Onik, wih anak Onik nih. Pakito tujuh mana dia nih? Seuwipo, Korsel. Agility dia, agility. Pakai trill dia. Setengah jam gila cok. Lumayan dapat berapa game tadi? 2. Welcome to Mobile Legends.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Mana mau dulu kan?
The show begins.
Buset, Zaxnya di sini bro. Wah, pinter Zaxnya nggak sih guys?
Mercy.
Initiate retreat.
Zaxnya pinter kali ini. Kali.
Request backup.
Crumble into dust.
Gas aja. Mati tuh.
Come closer.
First blood. An enemy has been slain.
Heretics. How daring of them to utter
Apa
that
sih Lily?
word.
Balik mana balik? Aksi dah. No, dipus no pas itu no. Balik. Nah lu gue delay kan lu. Nah dapat lumayan dia. Aduh nggak keikat lagi guys.
Light forever shines upon
Sabar ya, abis ini balik ya. Ini ada di dekat nih.
Ally has been slain.
Karot dia.
Has been slain.
Struggle is meaningless. To where the path started.
Kita kok dalam hitung-hitungan dia kayaknya ke ini dah. Tiga.
Come bust.
Enggak cu. Sini berarti dia bener nih.
Mystic magic. Funny how they label things they don't understand. Light shows no mercy. Crumble into dust.
Ally has been
Bener kan, repotin banget coy. Sini coy. Matil ini matil. Mati dah gua.
Come bust.
Nah siapa apa yang penting masih sangkil guys.
Done here.
Turtle dia.
attack the turtle.
Repot cuy, Matilda nih cuy. Bawahnya kalah pula.
Ult is not ready. Has been slain.
Udah nih alarm ya tadi nggak jelas. Nyala mulu.
Ult is not ready.
Emosi.
Tough enemies I don't fear. Well, now.
Wah mati guys. Aduh.
We're not done here.
Game sulit.
The show continues. They will atone for what they did.
Nyaris
One
mati tuh dia
way
tuh.
or another.
Mati cok.
It took me 10 years to see the come bust. One day, you'll stop searching for someone to blame. Come bust.
Kena tuh Angela tuh.
Rampage.
Come close.
Gelo Matilda ini. Bisa kali di sini guys.
Come bust.
Our turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain.
Just a tiny break.
Bisa nih bisa cok.
Under attack.
Bawa ke liat game ya nih. Wah udah ya gila kalau bawa ke liat game ya.
Launch attack. Ult is not ready.
Skies can fool my eyes. Except that one time.
The enemy has
Aduh, hilang semua bro. Itu bro.
Higher up.
Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack. An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed the turret.
Di dalam bawahnya.
Ravens. How obnoxious. Struggle is meaningless.
Wah. Waduh, head. Tetap nggak ngangkat bro.
Just a bunch of
Blazing platform, sahabat tuh nggak pernah hoki, kambing. Pakitonya udah kan apa dia tuh? Pakito. Yes, Pakito nice. Balik dulu. Mati cok. Nggak guna ini bro. Lord dia.
Our turret has been destroyed.
heretics. How daring of them to
Nggak ada
utter
ulti
that
lagi.
word.
Pakai tadi.
The enemy has slain Lord.
Nice.
Slain.
Waduh. Kaget gue.
Under attack.
Meet your fate.
Nih Jacknya jago sih semuanya, semua tim ini jago nih.
No disguise can fool my eyes. Except that one time.
An enemy has been slain.
Will account for what they did. One way or another.
Set ware lama banget tuh.
Light shows no
Ware lama
mercy.
banget guys. Ini gue belum jadi bro. Nice, dapet duit gue. Respect aja nggak sih guys? Serem banget tuh Harley-nya.
Mystic magic. Funny how they label things they don't understand. Light forever
Okay.
shines upon my cloak.
Hilang bro.
Enemy missing.
Combust. Ravens.
Mas gak sih ada Harley bro? Astagfirullahaladzim. Mati dah. Udah dibilang ada Harley anjir.
Under attack. Legendary.
Itu harus respect.
One day, you'll stop searching for someone to blame.
Gak ada ulti gua.
Enemy has slain Lord. Inhibitor turret is under attack.
For what they did, one way or another.
Ada Harley.
Ally has
Itu kena
been
blessing
slain.
duetnya langsung mati kok.
Ult is not ready.
Ravens. Combust. Combust.
Turret is under attack. Under attack.
10 years.
Our turret has been destroyed. Killing spree.
Crumble into dust. Combust.
Flicker dia tuh Zak.
No disguise can fool my eyes.
Dari tadi alarmnya bener ya.
Combust. Tough enemies, I don't fear. Dumb allies.
Daripada buat si Kimi nggak
One
jelas
day,
nih buat gua.
you'll stop searching for someone to blame.
Legendary.
Respect item coy.
Heretics. How daring of them to utter that. Combust.
Is not ready.
Respect item lah bro.
Light
Yes, betul,
forever
Bang.
shines upon my
Our
grave.
turret has been under attack. Has been slain.
Struggle is meaningless.
Initiate retreat. Ally has been
Set lihat aja sampai base bro.
under attack.
Aduh, Lancelot nafsu kali. Susah guys dia ini susah emang. Jago banget coy ini coy orang. Kimi aja kagak ini Kimi mah. Lanjut, 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 lanjut. Aman, 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 lanjut, aman. Nah, ini ada serteng nih.
Your team is banning.
Zak dia naik ke apa sih? Gak ada inian kan?
Please ban a hero. Your team is picking.
Mighty Oaks from Little
The
Acorn.
enemy is
Your
picking.
team is speaking. Aduh, Xavier gue di ban ya. Masih apa itu? Waduh, S4 ini
Time to go
cok,
to the
emang
RT
cok.
show for some fun.
Jauh head.
Fight! Fight
Waduh,
for the
Hilda lagi.
ultimate
Your
answer.
team is picking.
Hilda ya. Hilda guys. Apa ya? Kesana aja deh.
Hope will find a way, even when all is forlorn.
I see lots of prey.
The enemy is picking.
Aduh, Fani. Kenapa dah ya orang-orang ini ya? Far Cry bagus nggak ya?
What's your
Satu
command?
combo sih.
Your team is picking.
Ini ada gua.
Exorcist of the dragon spirit here. My blade strikes like a sword.
The enemy is picking.
Let's make the whole world green and lively.
Aduh. Hildanya XP berarti ya. Aduh, bocil epic guys. Mabar dia nih. Tenang, tenang, tenang. Yang penting main aja dulu. Ini kenapa lagi nih HP gue nggak nyala-nyala, cok. Gimana gue pengen baca komen, cok. Di sini kagak muncul. Raptor.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops attack!
Till Richburg bleeds again. Taste fair. There are memories time does not erase.
Enemy missing. Okay. Enemy missing.
Kan gue udah ngomong ya, ada missing ya. Udah dijawab oke pula. Sabar.
Have connection issues.
Blood.
For one day, Necrokeep will bathe the daylight.
Kalah sih. Yuzong, Warcry lagi Yuzong. Roger, Roger, ini lihat Roger, Roger. Astagfirullahaladzim. Gua ambil juga minionnya semuanya nih.
Careful! Careful! The enemy is missing.
Sabar, sabar. Tenang, tenang.
Tend to my people. Fear!
Diambil minionnya, bro.
I'll be the beacon that guides Necrokeep through the dark.
Attack the turtle. Okay.
Di bawah Lilia di mid nih.
There's no farther for us to fall. We hold our ground.
Ambil gak sih?
Initiate retreat.
Ulti kan itu. Ambil, ambil.
I was supposed to know.
Slain the turtle.
Sabar, sabar. Kalinya gila gue.
Double kill.
Udah cukup.
In memory of the fallen.
Udah gak sih?
Slain.
Tears and laughter. Such extravagant graces. If it helps. It is a blessing to bloom and to wither.
Kena dia Mac.
Mind your steps, visitor. The Necrokeep is cold.
Mati gak sih dia? Roger. Tolong Roger, backup.
Slain. Initiate retreat.
Kita bikin pusingnya, kita bikin pusing. Balik.
My
Mati bah Roger bah.
The silence of Necrokeep is too cold, too loud. I was supposed to marry him in this gown.
All initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Anjir.
For
Yang salah ulti lu dia. Wah, ulti semua kita, bro. Pancing semua, bro.
Launch attack. Battle spell in cooldown.
For one day, Necrokeep will bathe the daylight.
Nice kali tuh, bro.
An ally has slain the turtle.
For the fallen.
Unstoppable.
Ling, jauh banget ini, bro. Udah gak sih?
Initiate retreat.
Mati dia.
Slain. Killing spree. We hold our ground.
Gak mati lagi. Pada sakit dia.
Fire?
Kenapa ya? Cara tuh dia tuh.
Launch attack. Slain.
Juga di jalan ke mid, bro.
There are memories. Time does not erase.
Initiate retreat.
Gila mau digeng 2 orang gua.
Fear!
Enemy missing.
Mind your steps, visitor. The Necrokeep is cold and hostile. Shame on you.
Aduh. Pusing dia, pusing. Mati sih dia, gak ada ulti tuh. Lilia. Anjir, gak mati guys.
Such a painful goodbye.
Your team destroyed the turret.
Wih, bisa.
I'll be the beacon that guides
Bawah
Necrokeep
dia.
to the daylight. This is not the end for us.
Okay. Initiate retreat. Destroy the turret. Launch attack.
The blood has been destroyed to wither.
Fanny-nya ngeri banget coy.
The silence of Necrokeep is too cold.
Bisa.
Some sacrifices are necessary. Fear!
Slain an enemy.
Tolong.
Has been slain.
Tears and laughter.
Double kill.
Extravagant praises. Life wasted.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Fanny-nya stay di mana nih gini? Hah, ketebak deh guys.
Destroy the turret. Your team destroyed a turret. Ult is not ready.
Balik kan. Panik cuy, ngeri cuy.
I need to tend to my people.
Jangan barbar cuy.
Destroy the turret.
Ya lo gila uling. Nah udah ulti ya Fanny-nya, ulti lordku kah dia.
Initiate retreat. An enemy has been slain.
Balik itu Fanny-nya cuy.
There's no farther for us to fall.
Sorry.
Hang in there. Taste despair.
Okay,
It's not the end for
Langsung
us.
cok. Mbak Fanny bro.
request backup.
Understood. Fear. We hold up well. For Necrokeep.
Attack.
Fear. There are memories time does not erase. We hold up well.
Terus cok, baru-baru kan terus.
Life wasted.
Ini sakit banget bro. Fanny.
Initiate retreat. Unstoppable. Double kill.
Are calling to me.
Shut down. An enemy has been slain.
Ini bisa nggak sih alarmnya tuh jangan setiap hari gitu, jangan setiap detik.
Taste
Our turret has been destroyed.
for
On my
one
way.
day. Necrokeep will bathe the daylight.
Atasnya nggak sih bro?
Initiate retreat. Our turret is under attack.
I'll be the creature
Aman-aman gue clear cepet bro. Ini jangan mati ya.
Retreat. Monster kill.
Think twice before you lay your
Ada orang
fingers
nih.
on us. Fear.
Fanny tuh.
Tears and laughter. Such absurd phrases.
An ally has slain Lord.
Anything for Necrokeep. Mind your steps, visitor. For Necrokeep is cold and hostile.
Ult is not ready.
Jangan di clear nggak sih?
Does it expire? I was supposed to marry him.
Ini butuh duit nah.
Scout. The silence of Necrokeep is too cold, too loud.
Mid belakangan nggak sih bro? Sabar bro. Bro. Kena tuh dia tuh. Buset, di healing langsung darahnya tebel banget sih.
For the fallen. Fear.
Request backup. Launch attack.
Aduh. Gelo 99 plus cok damage-nya terdimes. Udah kali ya?
Victory!
Udah sejam guys. Sorry yang komen ya. Ini HP gue nggak jelas tuh, HP gue juga gak nyala cuy yang satunya. Oke, kita akhiri saja ini semua ya adik-adik. Ya lo keren nggak tuh PUBG. Berarti hari ini kita main berapa nih, berarti nih 4 ya, 4 game. Kalah sekali doang nih tadi nih lawan ini. Harley-nya padahal nggak beli ya. Apa beli tapi diganti ya sama dia. Oke lah, jadi terima kasih banyak ya guys ya yang udah nonton sampai habis nih, maaf banget ya. Nggak bisa dituin cuy. Buat yang komen terima kasih banyak ya semuanya. Buat yang nonton replay juga terima kasih banyak. Kita lanjut di hari apa ya? Ini hari apa sih? Jumat, Senin, di hari Senin ya. Kali Senin kita lanjut solo rank ya. Tipis-tipis aja guys. Oke, sampai jumpa di live selanjutnya. Terima kasih banyak. Bye bye.